With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So question is saying that reactant A is represented by the square and which is in equilibrium with product B, which is represented by a circle, right? So we have to find out the value of equilibrium constant, right? So here this is the diagram. Here circles are represented by the product B and square are represented by the reactant A, right? So like I can say this is our B, right? So these are B. These all circle are B, right? And this is a all in equilibrium with A, right? So these all B are product, right? So or you can say these are the particles of the product, right? And these are reactant A, right? So this, let's say this is our reactant A, right? So I can write here this is reactant A, right? So this is reactant A. This is reactant A, right? So this is also a reactant A. Now question is saying that find out the value of equilibrium constant, right? So we know that A, let's say A is our reactant, right? And which is in equilibrium with B, right? So which is in equilibrium with B, right? So you can see here the equilibrium constant, the equilibrium constant will be equals to concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. So I can say this concentration of B will be concentration of A, right? So let's say concentration, here you can see the number of particles, here you can see this is the value of B, right? So you can see that these all are in equilibrium, right? So you can see this, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 or 11, right? And you can see here the value of B comes out to be here 11, right? And the value of A comes here 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So the value of A comes out to be 6, right? So that means the value of K equilibrium, right? So the value of K equilibrium becomes here, you can say, since we are using concentration, so you can write here as that is Kc, right? So that is Kc, right? So because of concentration term, right? So otherwise K equilibrium is generally defined as product concentration divided by reactant concentration, right? So its K equilibrium will be equals to, if I divide it, so it becomes 1.83, right? So it becomes 1.83 now, right? So now, but we have option in integers, right? So we have option in integer, right? So that means I can say this, the nearest answer will be equals to, so it is approximate equal to 2, right? So it is approximate equal to 2, that is K equilibrium, right? So that is the value of K equilibrium, right? So because if you can say that if we rounding off this figure, so it becomes 2, right? So because here 8 and which is greater than 5, so I can write 1.83 into 2, right? So that means the value of K equilibrium approximate will be equals to 2, right? So here let's check the options are 1 2 3 and 4. You can see here clearly that we are getting the value of 2, right? So exact value is 1.83 and but nearest value is 2, right? So you can see here the option B will be the correct answer, right? Option B will be the correct answer, right? And option A, C and D will be the wrong answer, right? So hope this answered your question. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.